Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2015 GMC Yukon Denali. It comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as heated and ventilated leather seats, third row and second row seating, rear DVD entertainment package, magnetic ride control, trailer tow package, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these two-tone leather doors with tons of extra storage and paneling on the bottom. It's going to come equipped with the Bose speaker sound system as well as your seat memory. That'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, your power windows, as well as your child lock. You're going to have the chrome and wood accent throughout the whole vehicle. You're going to have these running boards there as well with your Denali badging. And onto the seats, you're going to have these light, heated and ventilated Denali seats, very comfortable. Alright, moving on the left, we're going to have our heads-up display control as well as park assist, lane keep assist, and our power pedal. And you're also going to have your lighting control, 2- and 4-wheel drive, and as well as your brake controller. And onto the steering wheel. On the left, you're going to have your cruise control, forward collision alert, and as well as your heated steering wheel. The right side is your voice recognition and digital cluster control. So with the cluster control, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, trip A, trip B, fuel range, oil life, and other vehicle information as well. I'm going to go back up. And you can pretty much access all of the vehicle information you need from your audio, Bluetooth, navigation, and settings. It's going to be push to start, classic truck shifter. Of course, moving on to our climate control, it's going to have the tri-zone. Of course, with the rear climate, you're going to have the DVD and CD disc player right there. And of course, up onto the infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity as well as OnStar and navigation is built in. You can also access your video, like I said. Heated and ventilated leather seats. Down below, just a little extra storage with 2 USB ports, cup holders, of course, center console with lots of extra storage and 2 extra USB ports with an SD card reader and a 12-volt port. Passenger side is going to be power adjustable lumbar as well. You're going to have that Denali badging. Of course, the same door. You're going to have that wood and chrome across with the two-tone leather. You're going to have Bose speakers up top, as well as OnStar services and SOS. You can also access your reading lamps, universal garage door opener. This also turns off the Wi-Fi hotspot, rear liftgate controls, and of course the powered sunroof. So we're gonna have these 22-inch aluminum wheels here. They look amazing, of course, with paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handles. Luggage rack up top with deep tint rear glass in the back. Of course, we're gonna have the polished exhaust right at the back as well, and the powered liftgate. All right, so it does come with third row seating. So we'll put these two down. I'll put those back down, and seats fold down. So you're gonna have a lot more storage now, of course, with extra wheel well storage on the bottom, with a 12-volt DC port and extra hooks and vents. Of course, on the sides, we're gonna have cup holders and a 12-volt DC port, and as well as you're gonna have lamps up top, vents, and hooks. It's a very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear now. Again, we're gonna have storage and cup holder on the bottom, equipped with the speakers. I'll come up here to the power windows, and you're just gonna have an extra cup holder and storage right there. Of course, top in, lots of legroom. Storage behind the passenger and driver seat. You're also gonna have a rear AC wall charger, 12-volt DC port, heated seating and vents, as well as your USB, SD card, and of course the classic 3. Headphones also included, right above you. Get that down. It's gonna have a universal home remote as well. You're gonna have a nice, comfortable ride on those road trips. Handles on the side, vents up top. It's very nice. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2015 GMC Yukon Denali. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, as well as rear DVD entertainment, trailer tow package with integrated brake controller, 22-inch aluminum wheels, deep tint rear glass, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.